Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl. Welcome to shareelynPw. Today we are making ice cream with just two ingredients. We have Ube condensed milk and 135% whipping cream. This is 473 ml and this is all you need to make Ube ice cream. And of course hand mixer and or whisk. So let's go start making it. Here's our Ube ice cream. This has been in the freezer for overnight. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. Now it's time to try it. 2 ingredient ice cream. Let's see how it tastes. So good though. Now the moment of truth. It's time to taste the ice cream. Wow. That's so good. Whoa-wee. It is very, very good. This is 2 ingredients, but I can't believe the taste. It's so yummy. There you go. I have a dessert now. You guys should try this and see for yourself that it's really good Ube ice cream. I'm not joking. It's really good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on my next video. Thank you and take care. So creamy. Better than the ice cream you're buying in the store. Wow. Mm-mm-mm.